am in Vegas for the annual SLC Sephora event, which will be tonight and tomorrow. I'm going to reveal a couple of new launches, but for now I wanted to show you the swatches of the new Camel palette. So the first two shades I'm going to swatch for you is Zand and Safari. I want to show you the difference between them. They look quite similar in the pan, but one is darker. And this is Safari. So you can clearly see that Zand is much darker. It's to build up the crease, you know. This is a transition shade, and then you go into the crease and for giving more depth. Now, Copperstone is a beautiful, you know, metallic. Look how gorgeous this is. Then Dune is a beautiful golden vanilla. This is just a beautiful highlighting shade for the brow bone and also for the inner corner. And finally, Arrosto is a very beautiful dark brown, which has a little bit kind of a greenish gray undertone. All of the shades have a green undertone.